So I did this prediction for you guys on your Euro GBP. I told you clearly that Euro GBP will drop. This is the movement. Euro GBP eventually gave us our sell. This movement is not of a surprise. If you are following this channel consistently, you would have seen that we predicted this sell and markets did exactly what we predicted it to do. So this is one of the reasons why if you are yet to subscribe, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, all you just need to do is click on that subscribe button right now, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel so you would not miss out on any single updates. The link to the Telegram channel will be in the comment section. So what were we expecting on the sell? It market did exactly what we were expecting to do. It sell. Now our next movement on Euro GBP will be a pullback, which is an higher low. So be expecting a little bit of a bullish move and one more sell again. Why are we going to be expecting that movement? Is that when you go to your daily time frame, you can see your trend. Your trend says we are in a downtrend move. So if we take a look at this as our low, and this is the lower high, this is also seen as the lower low, and this is the lower high. This is seen as the lower low, and this is the lower high. This is seen as the lower low, and here comes the lower high. Now, market have eventually given us another lower low. You can clearly see that this is another lower low. So expect market to give you a lower high before another drop that will form a new lower low. So guys, a lower high is what we should be expecting next on Euro GBP. Once you can get that lower high, expect one more movement again that will make it drop to form a new lower low. So guys, a bearish move is what we will be expecting again on your GBP. If there will be any changes to this prediction that we just did, I'll make sure I let you guys know. In order for you not to miss out on any updates, click on that subscribe button now and follow the Telegram. The link will be in the comment section.